the results of the pizza. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna eat it now in 1 minute. I'm gonna show you how to make pizza. Here's the sauce.
What are the ingredients that you need?
Pizza sauce, some meat, and some vegetables.
What veggies are you using?
Bell pepper, onion,
What is that one?
cheese.
Cheese. Okay. Can you add more sauce, please?
Okay.
You stand up.
Okay. I can do this. And let me taste it.